Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A Westmoreland bike taxi operator accused of sexually assaulting a 15-year-old girl has been charged. Omar Myri, 29, was charged with forcible abduction and rape. My viewers and subscribers, me telling you, so when the place not safe, it just not safe. Look at that. Bike taxi operator, charged with rape of a teenager girl, 15-year-old, Bike taxi operator. So them are something not safe. You get me? Listen, people is not safe. And then Andrew Holness now, he get upset him and Google Gaga and Horace Strong when people attack, so the place is not safe. It cannot hide. Only Andrew Holness and the administration is trying to hide these things. You get me? The place is just not safe, and everybody know that. Everybody know that. People not safe. People not safe. A lot of people, when they do the statistic, it comes out and it shows that a lot of people is in fear. People them we live in Jamaica, they fear for them life. They do. Them do. My viewers and subscribers, somebody comment and say, you know what? If they see a car, drive go down the road. If they depend on the veranda and they see a car, drive go down on the road. And then 1 minute later, the same car turn and drive pass again. Everybody shut off. That for sure you say people is living in fear. You get me? People scared. And these are the things where Andrew Holness need for address, and he's not addressing it. He get upset. Me tell you what you want. You want to look good. You see, just like when travel, anytime he go to England and he go to Canada and he go to America, he tell this bag of lie. Like how we're doing so well, which him a do well, not we the people, He say him a do well. He said Jamaica is doing well. Before he tell them say him and his family and the thief in cronies them a do well. Yeah, he might talk about Jamaica do well. And he know in his heart, so Jamaica is not doing well. So he always go brag and boast. And then when things are show up, which he have to come address on public platform, him see him one say, Jamaica a collapse through crime and violence. And then when time people now put out their advisory, he have a problem with it. You get me? So this is just a perfect example. Because look what is happening right now. Westmoreland bike taxi operator charged with rape of a teen girl. People not safe. Because right now, they just come like everybody have to start bringing them pitney to school. You can't trust taxi driver. You can't trust bike taxi operator. What is going on? You get me? But you don't tell me one thing still. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. The St. Mary police are searching for a suspect in connection with a murder committed on Thursday in the parish. The deceased has been identified as Ryan Predengas of Belfield Pen. My viewers and subscribers, you see what I'm going on now? Man being sought following fatal shooting. So I want to see. All right, this is one more gun panelist now. You see when Anthony Anderson, which is the Major General Police Commissioner, come out and say them a check and them a say, oh, how the crime is done. I don't believe them. I lie them a tell. The crime not done. I lie them just not. Listen, me tell you already, say Peter Bunting come out and say they dishonest to the people. He came out and he said they dishonest to the people. Can me know that? Me know, can me tell you already from the start, it was like about, I think it was the second week in, about 100 and odd people. Or third week in, I believe, it was about 100 and odd people. So I don't understand why they like, them a hide it. Just because they want to look good. You get me? What kind of prime minister is that? What kind of prime minister? You understand? But because they don't have a crime plan. They don't have a crime plan and they fail miserably. They fail. He fail and he know that. He know saying fail miserably, my viewers and subscribers. So, you see, this happened right now. And the police, they said they must search for a suspect in connection with a murder. You understand me? So, why, Jaja, it just rough. It is just rough. Because our government not have no crime plan. None at all whatsoever. All them a do, I put zo. But zo doesn't help. Because remember, you have to put something in place we can help the people. Remember, they keep on put Zozo in after the incident happened. So say for example, some killing going down the road, then they see them put the Zozo. That no help because the killing already happened already. We have to put things in place and say, you know what? I tell you this already. I'm going to say it again. You can station like maybe two soldier or three soldier at each station because majority of the time they don't do nothing. What them do? Training? They don't do nothing. So you put your station them a different station. And that's what you need to do. Or two soldier. It make more sense. Or three soldier at each station. You get me? But it's up to you guys who don't want to come. I don't know. All me can see, to me, the government want everybody dead. Me tell you that already. With the healthcare system, definitely. Nothing put in place. That show me. But I want to tell me one thing. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I know so when Damion Crawford come out, he always come out and beat and teach them, Yes, man, so no, so me have to go over this and just grab that, Yeah, because guess what? I want my good body subscribers them see what Damion Crawford said. Because you know, so Damion Crawford is very intellectual, man of wisdom, not only man of knowledge and understanding, man of wisdom. So not just taking Damion Crawford for me there, and then we elaborate after.
Mr. President, it's not my intention to suggest that there is no merit in some of the arguments that I've heard from the other side. And indeed, I've found great merit in some of the arguments that I've heard on this side. However, my greatest concern is the flippant way in which we have been consistently dealing with very, very important matters and very, very important institutions. I call to memory recent debates on the DPP, and there was great knowledge that the DPP's contract was coming to an end. In spite of that knowledge, it was delayed until the end of that contract that what some perceived to be constitutional changes were proposed for the current DPP to have the age of retirement changed. And one reason was because they haven't gone through the process of selecting a new DPP. That's a flippant way in dealing.
My viewers and subscribers, only hear what Damion Crawford say. What Andrew Honest them do. They must say, because true they not find no new DPP yet. That's why they change the age of retirement. Bullshit. You know the reason why? Him know the reason why him a hold on DPP. Because the DPP is there to cover him. It is just the truth. So my viewers and subscribers, Andrew Honest have all that plan for a long time. He have that plan for a long time because guess what? A whole heap of things them are going with because the senior DPP did come out and attack the things them. You understand? And then the DPP now say how the senior DPP a bully and all these things. You understand me? So, you see, the DPP now is just to cover them tracks because, it's, as I said to you before, you see, if the DPP was a woman of her word and if she did really love Jamaica, she would have filed charges against the 60 if them were in a parliament. She would. But this a woman and I care about nobody, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, she's just like Andrew Honest. So when you see them come up with their little strategy, it's just a plan. Them plan that for a long time because all the things go on, in that the office there, all the you see that woman, one easy woman, simple as you see her there, And then she can go on like so she a victim, and she know what she do, that woman. So Andrew Holness is the one that have her there. So that now when they come up, it's just a planting. But when you listen more what Damion Crawford have to say, hear this.
Of great importance. We come again here to see, in this case, the political ombudsman, that in this case her period, her tenure, came to an end. And at the point that her tenure came to an end, there had been no preparation for a replacement. So much so that we went for almost a year, if not more than a year, 15 months, so a year and 3 months, a year and a quarter, without a political ombudsman. And the argument is being presented that the political ombudsman importance seemed to be reserved for a election period.
Me like how Damion Crawford just smooth with it. I like how him just smooth with it, my viewers and subscribers. You hear what the man say? The man said they reserve the political ombudsman for election. And that them do because Andrew Holness have a plan. It's a reason why you see him do that. Because if over a year and add, nearly 1 year, 1.5 years, just say that, then do without the political ombudsman. Why no? Why no? He want the ECG to take on the role of the. Why no? Because Andrew Holness know where madam. Andrew Holness, he know what he's doing. I'm telling about it, on think a joke thing. A thief, they want thief up the election. They want thief up the election, my viewers and subscribers, but it not go work. It not go work. You understand? Because there is people like us who still love our country. People like us who still want our country to be better. And people like us still have values and morals. So my viewers and subscribers, we have to do the right thing. We just have to do the right thing. We can't follow them. You understand? And you honest just think say everybody are idiot. The whole they just take people for fool. That's all me can see. That is what is happening. Take in more.
Unfortunately, we're putting a proposal in front of what is a unit. What did the president say? It's an institution that may cause for members of the institution to forget that understanding and that interest. Because the current representatives of the political party perceive themselves as members of the institution. If we feel that a group more than an individual should make these decisions, it don't have to be the ECJ. We can have another bill that speaks to how the prosecution, what do you call this, the political ombudsman should be organized. And that might include a tribunal. But to say the ECJ is the answer to a group more than an individual, I disagree with that proposition. I also disagree with the proposition that the political persons give any level of equity within these arguments because they go in with their great biases and come out most times with their great biases. So where we are now is that I believe that the current bill put before us is simply a, what do you say now, to placate the concerns that their inaction carried us to a point that we're in the heat of elections without a political ombudsman. And that quick fix might lead to more danger, more damage than good. To that extent, I believe that the government, having already lost the political argument about the political, well, I was going to say having lost the political election as well, but the referendum. But the political argument have been lost. There can be no way you can claim that a year without a political ombudsman was in the best interest of the government of the country, nor good governance. There's no claim that you can make. There's no claim that you can make that there was any intervening force that made it impossible for you to put a political ombudsman in place. There's no claim. In fact, it can't be money because the JP have been going around saying the economy is great and money is flourishing and the benefits are coming. So there can be no argument. There can be no argument that we didn't need a political ombudsman. So therefore, you will gain nothing from forcing this forward. What should be for an institution so important is that there should be open consultation. And that open consultation is in the parliament. That open consultation is not behind closed doors.
Damion Crawford right now, Andrew Holness not depend that. They was saying feel him a go lose, he not depend that. This is why him a do all of this. This is why Andrew Holness is doing all of this. It is just a planting. It's just a planting for win election. That's all it is. Andrew Holness not care about nothing. If he did care about something, they would have open consultation. They don't care. Even when the opposition asks for it, they still ignore him and come and pass the law, which that is unacceptable. You understand me? That is unacceptable. But my viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on the nice clean self. I'm out.